Hello and welcome to this hip opener yoga class for beginners. In less than 15 minutes, we're going to target the hips, building mobility as well as strength. This class is also great for knees and lower back. I recommend having a block, and let's get started. Before we begin, if you're enjoying my videos, please remember to like and subscribe. Begin by standing in Tadasana or mountain pose. Bring the awareness down into the feet. Lift the toes up and press into the heels, then softly relax the toes back down. Align your hips to your ankles, standing up straight so you don't push the abdomen forward, abdomen back, shifting the pelvis so the top buttocks descends. Then extend the arms by your sides and lift the chest, looking straight ahead. Notice if you stand evenly or if you tend to lean one way or other. Now place your hands on your hips and begin to step the feet apart for a wider stance. Stabilize by pressing your heels as well as the balls of the feet. Then slowly take the feet wider apart. If possible, widen your stance to about 4.5 or 5 feet apart. Now the challenge is to press the front of the thighs back as I'm showing, and yet dropping the top buttocks down. Then the abdomen is engaged and the side of the torso lifts up. From there, lift the front of your left foot and turn the toes in and rotate the right foot all the way out. Press down the right big toe ball of the foot. Slightly bend your leg and roll your inner thigh to your outer thigh as I'm showing. Then draw your left hip in while you press the outer left heel. Reach the arms wide to the sides in line with the shoulders, lifting the spine up towards the head. Then bring the hands onto the hips, bending the leg, turn the feet forward. Adjust the distance between the feet. Now turn the right foot in, left foot turns out, left knee and thigh turn out. Roll the inner thigh to the outer thigh and pull the hips in towards the midline, compacting the hips. Extend the arms wide by your sides once more, looking straight ahead, torso straight up and down. Then bend the leg, turn the feet forward, bring your hands onto your hips. Turn the left toes in and the right foot all the way out. Keep the torso straight up and down. Draw the left hip in. Begin to bend the right leg, moving from the inner thigh towards the knee, and then straightening the leg. Once more, bending, keeping your knee directly in line with your ankle, and lengthening from the inner thigh towards the knee. And then going deeper into the pose, taking the top of the thigh down, keeping the left hip in, extend the arms wide to your sides. This is Virabhadrasana II. Then turn the feet forward. Turn the right foot in. Turn the left foot all the way out. Draw the right hip in, slightly bending the left leg, inner thigh towards the knee, and then bring it back up. Then go a little bit deeper and come back up. Move the inner thigh towards the knee. Draw the top of the thigh down. Now extend the arms wide by your sides, keeping the shoulders soft. Then straighten the legs. Put your hands back on your hips and bring your feet back together for Tadasana. Place a block on the right side of the mat, upright as I'm showing. Then step the feet wide apart. Turn the left toes in. Rotate the right toes out, right thigh out, right kneecap out. Keep the hips compact and extend the arms. Now bend the right leg as before, moving the inner thigh towards the knee, and then bring your right hand down onto the block. Keep your ankle and your knee lined up. Inner thigh, back of the thigh towards the knee. as you press your outer left heel down. This way you increase mobility of your hips while keeping stability there. Then straighten the right leg, come back to upright. Place the block upright on the left side. Place your hands on your hips. Turn the right toes in, left foot turns out all the way. Draw the right hip in. Bend the left leg, drawing the inner thigh towards the knee. As the left leg bends, keep the right hip in. Place your left hand onto the block. Adjust so that your inner thigh moves towards the knee and your shin is straight up and down. Lean into the block, and that way you can allow your left side hip, groin, and inner thigh to gently descend and soften, keeping the back leg steady. Now straighten the legs and come up. Bring your feet all the way together once more to Tadasana. Place the block on your right side on its medium height. Place your hands on your hips. Take the feet wide apart. Spread the arms. Turn the left foot in. Turn the right foot out for triangle pose. We'll be keeping our legs straight. Press the outer left heel. Reach to the right and bring your right hand on top of the block. Slightly bend the leg only to rotate the inner thigh and pull the outer knee up. Turn the left leg outer thigh towards the wall behind you. Push into the back heel and extend the left arm up towards the ceiling. Breathe. Pull from the left arm to come to upright. Turn the feet forward. Place the block on the left side. Turn the right foot in and the left foot out. Always look down and watch the alignment. Then spread the arms. Reach to the left and bring the hand down onto the block, right hand on the hip. Slightly bending the left leg, roll the inner thigh out. Press to the big toe ball of the foot. Maintain that. Then pull the thigh up. Take the outer right thigh back towards the wall behind you. Now reach the right arm up towards the ceiling. Keep your legs straight and arms straight. Then pull from the right arm to bring you upright. Turn the feet forward, hands onto the hips, and walk your feet back together for Tadasana. Now attempt to step the feet even wider than before. So if you're tall, 5 feet apart is a good measurement. As you press the front thighs back, allow the inner thighs to release apart from each other, stretching apart. Bending forward at the hips, bring your hands down to the floor, keeping the arms straight in line with the shoulders. Press the front of your thighs back. Soften the inner legs apart. Pull your spine forward. You can even come to the fingertips as I'm showing. Then take your hands onto your hips, lift the chest, and come back to standing. That was Prasarita Padottanasana. Now we're going to come down to the mat for a similar seated position. So sitting upright, start to take the feet wide apart from each other. Make sure that you point the toes directly up. Roll the outer thighs in. You can use your hands as I'm showing to facilitate that. See that your kneecaps point up and the toes point directly up, especially the little toe. Then soften once more the inner thighs towards the knees. This is Upavistha Konasana. Now bring your hands in front of you. Keep the chest lifted. Keep the left hand there and take the right hand behind you. You can be on the fingertips to get more length. Soften the left inner thigh towards the knee and then rotate towards your right leg. Turn from your pelvis and your waist. Come back to center. Right hand comes in front. As you turn away from your right leg, keep the length of your right inner thigh towards the knee and try not to let it shrink back in towards the midline. That takes a lot of awareness. Come back to center. Slide 4 fingers under each knee. Pull the knees up and bring the bottoms of your feet together for Baddha Konasana. Inner heels pressing and soften the inner thighs apart. Hold your ankles and gently pull them in towards you. And sit upright. Keep pressing the heels. Now with the hands behind you, lift the hips and slide forward. I'll show that from the sides. Keep pressing the heels against each other. Lift up and slide the hips and thighs forward towards your ankles. Don't worry if your knees don't go down. Don't push them down by force. Try to sit upright as much as you can. Then hold your knees and pull them up. With your feet on the floor and your legs bent, come to rest onto your back. Pull the knees in towards you. Take the hands underneath the knees and soften the entire leg from the hip to the knee and the ankle. Relax your lower back also, softening the abdomen down towards the floor. Take a few breaths here, just allowing the lower back, the hips, and the knees to relax. Then put your feet back on the floor. Reach your right arm over and turn to your right. Push down with your left hand to bring you up. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you find the session helpful. Namaste.